Hello, Paul again here from EMD. Just want to show you what we're doing today. So this car came in for a service. We've done the actual full check over on the car, and I found the actual someone have done some work on this car here and removed this seat out and then damaged the actual seat frame bolt. I'm not sure what they've done. So what I've done is, this is the seat frame bolt. That's not the other damaged one there.
Damaged one.
So I'm going to put one of these in now. So what we're doing now, we're actually cutting the actual seat frame using this one here. Using that to cut the seat frame, so they actually cut the thread properly, so clean it all up. And hopefully we can put this in back in. And then we had to use a socket like that to take this one out. And you can look at the actual seat frame bolt, it's damaged at the bottom there. Okay, so that's where we are now. And the battery here, this is the battery. This one here failed the test, and this one here is 2017. And we're going to remove the battery, replace it, and then program it back to the car as well. Because this is a AGM battery, VADA AGM. All right, and that's where we are now. And the car's running rough as well, so we need to actually look at the DPF cleaning, and need more time to actually diagnose that problem. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.